Hello guys, today I want to tell you about situation when crypto falling, when market going down, and everyone afraid at such moments. They don't know what to do. They try to find answers. Should they sell everything and go to some stables, or maybe it's new discounts that I need to buy more? And I'm crypto investor. I invest in different DeFi systems, and my hobby is investigate different DeFi tools. So today we will try to find answer what to do in such cases when crypto is falling. Okay, and right now a little bit some metaphor. Just imagine that you're watching your house, which is on fire, and every second the fire became bigger and bigger. You want to save many things from your house. Maybe you have idea to go there and take something until it's not fire everywhere. You know, some fire workers will come soon, but will they save or no? No one knows. In such moments you think about your insurance. Is it now good for that case? Or maybe you don't have insurance and you have many things in your mind what you should do before. Maybe you was needed to take with you some documents before returning bank and see how your house is fire. And you have many answers what to do in the past, but you don't know what to do right now. Under emotions you cannot do right things. Maybe you can, but it's a little bit risky, or sometimes it's very risky. And in such moments we know what we need to do before, but we cannot do it right now because it's too late. And what can help in such moments? To have some plan. If you will have plan, if you can hedge risks or already hedge risks, it will be better. But right now already nothing, and you don't have plan what to do right now. Anyway, the plan and preparing more important in such cases. By the way, you can find in description for this video link to Telegram channel where you can see the full presentation, not full, partially presentation for this video, their short version, what I want to talk about. Feel free to watch in description and subscribe. So the current situations for right now, or maybe in your time, it shows how is it important to have plan, how to know where is your exit point. Many people right now, if you will see different videos, many influencers, that they will show you different charts, graphics, and they will draw there some lines or circles, gold, something, blah blah blah. They just draw somewhere something and they want you to say, and they really believe in it, or some of them just want to pretend that they believe. They want to give you answer, but is it real answer? Will it be useful for you? You know, it's very sad for me that right now many people try to predict future. It's impossible. Everyone know, no one can predict future. It's impossible to predict market in the future. No one. If someone will know about it, they will make money for that. And you know, knowledge is like virus. No one can hide it. During the times, any system will be known. And what we can see today, no one was prepared for this. And if you will find some influencer who will say you need to do this thing right now, there are two reasons why they can do it. First reason, they want to make money on you. Second reason, they are stupid and they believe that they are gods or something. No one can predict future. Also, you can say, what about technical analysis? You can see in my video here or here, somewhere here, somewhere there. There I try to explain why technical analysis is never working, why it's big mistake and some mist or something. You're welcome to watch. But what I can give you instead of these guys who can say you what need to do, they just can say you what need to do, but they just try to say it, they don't know. Today we will talking about exit points. It's very easily to understand everyone know it, but every time many of people forget about it. Any decision, in our case it's enter or exit market, should have behind after that some answer what to do. When my exit point, for example, if you will buy something, you should know answer when you will sell it. When you already know that you will sell, you should know about when to buy back or no need to buy. Just have plan what to do after. Always ask yourself the question, what is my next step? The situation can change, but it's every time good to have some plan which was developed when you was calm and you analyze very accurate most of things. Yeah, no one can predict what will be in the future. Maybe your plan will be bad. It's possible too. But before any decision, doesn't matter how good is it, just remember, sometimes emotions can break your life. And the plan created when you was calm, it's better when you are under emotions. And yeah, no one can predict what will be in the future and sometimes need to change your decisions. But remember, question, what is my next step? If you will change your plan, again, what will be your next step? When you change your strategy, just know your new exit point. Having a plan is better than don't have it, especially when already your house is burning. Let's talk again about trading. As my viewers know, I don't like trading as techniques how to make money. But anyway, it's very good for explaining. For example, when you want short or long, you need make every time stop loss and take profit. It's like alphabet knowledge. Everyone should know it, and most of people do it. But just ask few of your traders who you know, and they will answer, oh, I lose my all money because I didn't make like stop profit or stop loss, or take profit or stop loss. Most of them did it, and they can say, they explain themselves that they do it. Technically it's just for explaining. I can say that there was, I'm not sure, I want to believe this, that most of money which they did, they just forget about how they forget to make stop loss or take profit. They just take it anyway. But anyway, if they do not do it, it's very easy to lose all your money. Hope and greed and trading are the enemy of profit. So again, emotions, not having plan, not have exit point, it's your enemies. The decision should be reasonable, logical, dry, and calculating, like in math. Yeah, guys, maybe in this video I will not tell you about what to do right now. I just will prevent cases in the future that it will happen with you in the future, if you will understand what I want to tell you. So it's more easier for you right now, or when you will be more calm, when you will be in condition to think and to know what you will to do in the future, because right now no one knows. So most of people who don't know what to do right now, they forget that they already have planned. It's normal to just remember that you have planned. Sometimes it's now and that's it. But most of people just don't have plan. They just play with money. They don't earn it. They just play. They just hope that it will grow or fall, and they don't need answer. They just got what they need, like gambling feelings. That's it. Yeah, and for example, right now, if you talk about crypto, it's just very simple answer. Will you wait until some amount of crypto, when it will be fall, you will transfer most of your altcoins to stables, or for example, when it will grow, you will know when you will take profit, you will exchange again your altcoins to stable. Also about this point generally, I'm talking about stables because for me I count my profits in stables. I don't care about altcoins too much. Of course, I want to buy it. I want to buy it when it's have low price and sell it when it will be a higher price. Of course, I have some diversification strategy. So right now, okay, 2 days before, it was like 80% of my portfolio was in stables, only 20% was in alt, or also some stables were in some liquidity pools and some lending protocols. About it a little bit better. Just know that the better for you know indicators, not indicators which will predict something or just should predict, no, indicators when you will make your next step. I'm talking about not trying to watch in the future. You will just have plan and your exit plans better for take profits and stop loss. Maybe talk about people who play with leverage, but I'm not risky guy and my mind not prepared for such type of things. I can understand how you can borrow something, make from that some leverage, you can lose your assets. For me it's a little bit wild and I'm afraid to think about such things. Now I will talk about my strategy, but if we start talking about me, I also want to say you that in description of video you can find link. It will redirect you to my website. There you can find different projects which I tried to do, which I already did. Some of them already done. So just in the description of video, DigitalScyther.com, you can find there my projects. Also in description you can find the way to how to donate me. So about me, as I told, I have a portfolio 80-20, 80 in stables, 20 in altcoins, and also I have, I'm not risky guy. Also I had some positions in different liquidity pools. This 80% part of that stables was in liquidity pools because I count money in stables. And when it's happening, the market start falling, I was afraid too. I start thinking about maybe I need to don't have so big impermanent loss. If you don't know what is it, liquidity pool, shortly you just give some assets to trade between traders, and for each transaction you get some interest. If you want to know more about it and you really want to try to have your personal part in some liquidity pool, you can watch my video. There we try to use Phantom wallet and we bought some pool USDC and Solana. When it's market falling or moving up, it's happening that you will get impermanent loss. Technically it's like you can see how your money is smaller and smaller. You still get interest, but the total price is changed. And I start thinking about maybe I need to stop it. Maybe because I use my stables to buy it and coins too in full. And I just remember, no need to worry about it. It was my plan because I have big range in left side, for you left side here. So when the crypto will falling, I will still get interest. I will be still in range. Again, just watch my videos. You don't know what is it liquidity pool, but it was my plan. When it will be fall, I will just buy back small amounts, some part of Solana when the price is going down. It's impermanent loss, but it was my plan. I don't care about it. I just wanted to buy Solana with it when its price will be smaller. When price will go back, I will not have any impermanent loss. Also, I make right range a little bit smaller to not get so big impermanent loss. I will just get a little bit profit from incomes and that's it, from fees, and that's it. But if price will fall very much, I will get Solana for smaller price than I want when I can buy at that moment when I open this pool. So it was my plan. just buy cheaper Solana. And when I remember about it, that I had plan, I became more calm, and I just understood, okay, that's what I wanted. Nothing changed for me. A little bit changed because I still have coins, but anyway, it's maybe I will buy more after. But still, as I told, my decision to count first one in stables, and I will close my liquidity pool when it will be go out of range, because I did what I want. In the future, not right now, because I don't know, maybe it will go more or less, or maybe Solana will fall, but I don't care because I have plan, and I will try to be still in same strategy. Maybe I will change something, but of course before I change, I will know already my exit points. And of course, don't forget about diversifications. That's it's a little bit another type of tips, but everyone know about it too. So just you should understand first on how much your portfolio should be stable like in stable coins, or maybe you want to count your profit only in coins. It's up to you. But these important questions which you need to know answers for yourself in what you need to count and how much risks okay for you. For example, for me, if my portfolio will fall or 20 or 40%, it's okay, but more I don't want already. Of course, I understand. I think my strategy is a little bit more conservative, but I just don't like the risks. And you should know, you should find your patterns. You should know your parts, how much you need in stables, how much you need in coins. Maybe you don't worry about stables and you just want coins. Maybe you want only Ethereum or something like that. Yeah, better to know answers for that right now. Also, I don't trade. I don't like trades. That's why. That's also because I don't like risks, and I try to use different DeFi strategies like Uniswap, lending. And right now that's it, I think, but in the future I plan maybe to investigate more about insurance, and also get subscribe on my Telegram channels or at my website and bookmarks, because not so far time ago, or maybe if you watch later, anyway, Uniswap released 4th version of Uniswap, and it will be more interesting because they add different hooks, web hooks, and it will bring, I'm sure, I want to believe, new strategies and new protocols, or maybe they will make some protocols already exist more complicated and more interesting. We'll see what will happen. Yeah, and diversification and learning new tools is your way to be more calm and feel more safe. So yeah, I was thinking about that video that I will talk with you only about the exit points, but looks like yes, exit point, diversification, and learning, yeah, and investigate each protocol which you think that you will choose, but it's like additional tips, it's not so easy. Yeah, I'm thinking it's just my plan for this video. I try a little bit doing analytics. It's very interesting for me. My background, I'm software developer, and making SQL queries is a little bit interesting for me, and I found that it's really maybe very interesting for me, and I think maybe I will just take some popular smart contracts or protocol smart contract too, and I will try to analyze online. No, it's just my ideas, I don't know will it be or no, but anyway, it's just additional reason for you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Remember metaphor with burning cows. So the past cannot be returned, but you can influence the future. Also remember about exit points. If you will try to find some answers from other influencers what to do right now, okay, it's your decision, but my opinion, they try to make money on you, or they are idiots. I don't know who am I in this system, because I give you some tips too, but I think you know the reason. Or yeah, just think with your head, make informed decision. It's also possible that you cannot do it. it's normal too. Some people cannot do it, or they not good in math, or they are not good in money. We are all a little bit not good in money if we get sometimes lose or something. It's good to ask some tips others. It's good, but just remember, many people want to lie, many people lie, many people want to cheat you. Just be very accurate with your money. Even your relatives, your friends, they can think that they are predictioners, but they are just stupid. That's it. Just try to do it yourself. But if you cannot, be very accurate with choosing who one will take your money and make your money bigger. Yeah, and that's all what I want to talk about with you. Feel free to write your opinions in the comments. Give me and other people additional tips which you think should help. Just remember, choose who are you, the idiot or want to make money, or you just want to share your knowledge. It's normal too. I'm happy if you was watching this video until this part, and I just want to say bye bye. See you next time.